This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss EVs in SA, expensive, impractical, and lacking infrastructure. Catch You Ask, We Answer, BMW X2 M35i. Keep or upgrade, the verdict's in. In this episode of All Things Motoring, Temba Robin meets Robin Goodwill, a proud BMW owner with a sharp sense of humor and a beautifully kept ride. Rain rules, Freezeburg Rally shifts to spring. The 2025 Freezeburg Rally will now take place on the 26th to the 27th of September. From city streets to safari retreats, the new Jour SUV models are ready for both tar and dirt. Auto Mechanica Sub-Saharan Africa Roadshow expands automotive aftermarket possibilities. AK-47 protection for Jeep Grand Cherokee. GWM unveils its global strategy at Auto Shanghai 2025. Read Colin Wendell's article, New York Retrospective. The event highlighted a growing industry focus on vehicles merging everyday practicality with adventurous spirit, catering to drivers eager to explore both cities and untamed landscapes. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, CHANGECARS has you covered.